Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a controller with your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. If you want to connect a PlayStation controller or basically any DualSense or DualShock clones, you're gonna have to first of all put the device into pairing mode, which you can do by holding down the create and the PS button at the same time until the lights of your device start throbbing. After that, on your laptop, you're gonna have to go to the control center by clicking these three icons in the bottom right corner. Then click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth. Select your DualSense controller right here and wait until your laptop is connected to it. To disconnect, go to More Bluetooth Settings, click the three dot icon in the top right corner of your PS5 controller and then click the Remove Device. Now, if you want to connect an Xbox controller to your device, what you're gonna have to do instead is turn it on by pressing the Xbox button, which will be located, well, has to be located here in the middle. Once your controller is turned on, you have to press the pairing button, which is located approximately in this place. Hold it down until your controller starts flashing the LED lights, and then you should be able to see the notification in the bottom right corner of your laptop. Clicking this notification will result in pairing your controller, but if you don't see this notification, you can go through the very same steps of opening the control center, go into Bluetooth devices, selecting your Xbox controller right here and connecting to it. That's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.